Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine, and today I'm gonna share with you that how we can remove our blackheads at home with minimal efforts. But before the video starts, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video, share and comment. So today I'm gonna remove my blackheads with just one mask, and trust me, this works really well. At least it works for me. And whenever I want to remove my blackheads, I use this mask and remove my blackheads in 20 to 30 minutes with minimal efforts, or you can say no efforts at all. So for removing our blackheads, we are gonna need this olive charcoal mask which I use for my blackheads removal. This mask cost me 800 rupees, and you can buy this from the market or online, and you have to make sure that you buy the original product, or otherwise it won't work and it won't remove your blackheads. So first of all, what we are going to do is you have to make sure that the area from which you are going to remove your blackheads, obviously that is the nose area, and near that area is clean and it doesn't have any makeup or oil on it. And now what we are going to do is open this box, and it has this bottle of mask. What we are going to do is open it and take a pea-size quantity of this charcoal mask, just like this much would cover my nose area, and apply it onto our nose area wherever we have blackheads. So I'm gonna apply it and then I'll come back. So I have applied the mask onto my nose area wherever I have blackheads, and now I'm gonna let it dry. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to dry, or otherwise you can use a hair dryer on cold to dry it in less than 1 minute. So I'll dry it and then I'll come back. So now as you can see that the mask has started to dry. Look, it hasn't come onto my fingers. You can touch it and feel it that it has dried. Now I'm gonna apply another layer of this mask. Here again gonna take a pea size of the same mask and apply it again on the same area. So in total I'm gonna apply 2 layers of this mask and dry it completely. And this mask doesn't only remove your white and black hairs, but it also exfoliates your skin deeply and cleans your clogged pores. So I have applied the second layer, so now I'm gonna dry it and then I'll come back. So now that the mask has dried, as you can see that I'm touching it and it isn't leaving any residue on my fingers. So I'm gonna remove it in front of you. What you're gonna do is stretch your skin like that, and then take it from here. You're gonna remove it from below to above, not from above to below, because otherwise if you remove it from above to below, so your blackheads won't remove. And one other thing about this mask is that you can not only use it on your nose for your blackheads removal, but also you can use it on all over your face too, because it's a charcoal mask and it works best to exfoliate your skin and remove dead cells from your skin and replace them with new ones. So let's remove it. So look, it is removed completely. And now for the gross part. Obviously the blackheads aren't show on it, but they have removed completely. But you can see the whiteheads on the mask. So as you can see, it has removed much of my blackheads and whiteheads. So I don't have that much blackheads, so it doesn't show that much blackheads or whiteheads because I do it every week. So now that I have removed the mask, so now I'm gonna wash my face with cold water so that my pores shrink and doesn't get clogged. So I have washed my face and you can see that the blackheads are gone, and there aren't any blackheads left on my face. So now I'm gonna apply my miracle serum, and that's it. And if you also want to make this miracle serum for yourself, so you can watch my video that I made on this miracle serum, and it's listed in the description box below with my other interesting videos. So do go and watch it and make this miracle serum to get youthful radiant skin just like mine. So this was the quick and easy way I used to remove my whiteheads and blackheads at home with minimal efforts. And this mask not only removes your whitehead and blackheads, but it also gives a quite good shine to your nose area. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video, share and comment. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.